Hey, hi, and welcome. It's Megan here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I just got the keys to my apartment, so we're doing a new apartment tour. So that's where we are right now. That's where we have the Echo, but I just wanted to show you the stuff because I'm actually getting ready to bring some new stuff in here now, and I just want to show you what it looks like empty. So let's get into it. Right when you come in, you have the big kitchen, which is my favorite part of the apartment. I'm so excited. So this is kind of what it looks like at an overview, and then, I'll show you some up close details. There's, new appliances. It also seems like the person who lived here before was either really clean or it was only like one person, because all of my appliances, the apartment was very clean when I first moved in. So I only had to wipe down stuff a little bit, which is great. I love how there's a ton of cabinet space. These are like kind of the glossy cabinets, so I really like it. It makes it really bright. And they also have these details, which I really like to open it. I think it's super cute. It adds a nice little touch to the cabinets. What I have noticed is that since I have a lot of cabinets, I really have to think about how I really want to organize this place and make it very functional. So we're going to be doing a lot of organizing coming up soon. So stay tuned for that. Here is another view of the island, which I think is gorgeous. What would you guys clean this with? I'm still trying to figure that out, but I love it. I think it's beautiful. I love that it has a lot of storage in it as well. So I have plenty of space to make sure that I am making food from home, and I'm super organized. I have no excuse at this point. And here we have the living room. I just wanted to show you, it's massive, like way larger than my current living room. So I'm thinking I want to get like a new couch to put on this wall, and then maybe have the TV facing this way, and possibly put my desk over here, or put my desk here in this little pocket that is kind of close to the island. So we'll just kind of see how it goes, but so far I'm very excited. Now we are in my bedroom. I think I'm gonna put my bed on this wall right here, and then possibly put my vanity over there on that kind of wall next to the window. Yeah, this bedroom is very large, so I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the space, but it's really nice. I also love that going into my closet and laundry room combo, I have this barn door, which is super nice. Here is the barn door that closes off my room from my closet and laundry room, which I kind of like the laundry room and closet combo, so I'm actually really excited about that. Okay, and so then here's the laundry side. I'll probably use this as extra storage up here. And I also moved both the laundry and like the washer and dryer, I moved them to one side. So I have this space right here, this like bigger space that I can use to possibly put additional storage, including over the laundry room as well. And then on this side, it's the closet. So it's like one long wall and then also additional underneath. I think this will be good enough for me, especially if I get my clothing like super duper organized, use the like small space hangers, really go through my clothes, make sure I have like, I only have things in here that I actually need. So I'll show you guys that when I actually go through all my stuff again and get it organized and really make the space, make use of the space in the closet. But I really do think it's a great size closet. Now here's the bathroom storage. It's got a lot. Nice set of cabinets, also the pretty marble. So I definitely want to decorate this and make it my own. Shower behind me is a very nice size shower, which I'm very excited about. I may possibly change the shower head to make it more fancy, or I may not. We'll just see. I haven't figured all that stuff out, but I'm definitely going to decorate this. But I want to show you guys because, you know, it's bathroom, it's nice, it's cute. And then the linen closet right here. So the linen closet right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. So this is just another area for me to use to make really good use of the space. So I'm excited to see what I can do with it. And I think that's pretty much everything. Back in the kitchen now. And so my mom is actually out by the U-Haul. We're literally about to start bringing stuff in, but I just wanted to do a quick apartment tour just for me to kind of see it and also show you guys the apartment, and we can basically decorate and organize it together. So that's why I wanted to show it to you guys completely empty before I start putting all my stuff in here. I have also realized now, after being here and then going back to my other apartment, I just feel like my current furniture, I bought it specifically for that place because it was small and I didn't necessarily get furniture that I wanted to keep forever. So some of it, I'm thinking I may want to get some new stuff and just, you know, change it up. And so I am thinking about donating quite a bit of the furniture that I had from that apartment and really just starting over, starting fresh, really finding pieces for this place that are gonna last and that I wanna keep for years to come. I think that's kind of finally where I am in life. So I'm excited to share that process with you guys. This is gonna be probably a pretty long moving process. So like where I'm decorating, organizing, getting everything together. So definitely stay tuned if that's something you're interested in. And yeah, let me know if you have any tips for like cleaning products, furniture stores, and different places that you recommend. Great places for decor. Obviously I have some things in mind, but I don't know exactly where I want to get stuff from. So if you guys have any recommendations for the space, or you think you have some tips for organizing, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.